How to get Roblox voice chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, Roblox. Log into your account and click on settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find settings pop up. Click on settings. After you click on settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on account info and make sure your email address is verified. To verify, you will simply find code on your email, add that. Also, you need to be over 13, so verify your age. Scroll down and click on verify my age, and then you need to add your IDs. After you've verified, click on privacy and content maturity, and then click on communication. In communication, click on voice chat. After you click on voice chat, enable microphone, and then you're good to go. This is how to get Roblox voice chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for joining.